Hello, welcome back to Premiere Pro. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to change the opacity of a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so if you have two videos playing at the same time and you want the one on the top to be a little bit see-through so you can see the one underneath, this is how you do it. Okay, so I have my two videos here. As you can see, a little campfire, then the one under it, again you won't be able to see, sorry, but it's a forest. So you want to select the top one, okay? Then head up into Effect Controls. If it's not there, Window, Effect Controls, make sure that's ticked. Now, you see the Opacity function. You want to just press that, and then the Opacity slider. And you just do it that way, okay? If you want to gradually change opacity, you would want to press this toggle animation, okay? So that will set a keyframe point, and then let's set another one here at, well, much lower. And as the video plays, the opacity is going to get more and more. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.